Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Deezer account's password. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Click open a web browser first. In the URL box at the top, type in deezer.com and search. From the official website of Deezer, go and click on the login button at the top right corner. Now, in the login area, go ahead and enter your email address. Make sure to type in the email address that is associated with your account, and if you've forgotten your password and don't know what to do next, you can easily reset your password. If you happen to remember the password during the process, type it in the text box, but if you don't, click on Forgot Your Password link right below the login button. In the pop-up, you'll need to enter your email address one more time. After you are done, click Confirm and you'll be receiving a link to reset your password to your email address. Go check your email by opening a new tab. You should receive an email from Deezer. Click the email open and the reset link to your password will be received by you. Click on Here in order to reset your password, and now type in the new password that you'd like to change to. Make sure your password is 8 characters minimum and move towards the next box and type in the password one more time. Make sure both of the passwords in the text boxes matches. After you're done, click Reset and your password has been updated successfully. Click on Back and now click on the login button at the top right one more time. Enter your email and then when asked for your password, type in the new password that you just reset to. You'll need to enter the same password you just reset to every time you log in starting from now. After you're done, click Login. And that is how you can easily reset your password for Deezer. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.